What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Mortal Kombat movie is coming out pretty soon, and I'm very excited for the movie. And to celebrate, I'm going to be showing you how to make some vegan Mortal Kombat sushi rolls. This is based on an actual Mortal Kombat sushi roll that is sold at a restaurant in California, but we'll be making it vegan. Before I get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes, I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more sustainably and healthy. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for the actual sushi, you'll need 3 nori sheets. You also need 1.5 cups of sushi rice, 1 cucumber sliced into 8s, 1 avocado sliced into 8s, and some sriracha mayo. I made this by just combining 1/2 cup of vegan mayo and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. For the fried onions, you'll need 1 white onion cut into rings, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of plant-based milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, and some oil for frying. For the tofu fillets, you'll need 1 16-ounce block of tofu cut into thin slices, 1 nori sheet cut into tiny squares, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 lemon juiced, 1/2 cup of vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hot Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ground red pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the eel sauce, you'll need 1/2 cup of mirin, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and 6 tablespoons of white sugar. To help me make this, I'm going to be using the same sushi kit that I used in my last sushi video. If you missed that video where I made some Godzilla sushi rolls, I'll have that video linked down in the description below. Make sure to check that out if you haven't. Alright, let's make some sushi. And here we have our vegan Mortal Kombat sushi rolls. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Also, if you want some more Mortal Kombat content, I just posted a video on my main channel, Earth's Ego, where I explain Reptile's powers. I'll have that link on the screen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Lulu, are you ready to fight in Mortal Kombat? Yeah, let's go. Finish him.